Hi everybody, welcome back to the Two Crazy Collecting Ladies. I'm Jen.
And I'm Brooklyn.
And we're opening this Whatcha Gotcha Machine Series 2. This one is, which one is this one? B11. And I'm hoping to see any of the special edition ones because we got the Stitch and right now he's my favorite.
He is so awesome. I wasn't expecting to like him as much as I did.
know. So here we go. Let's hope we got another one.
A little bit of preface to Stitch. He is wet when you touch him.
Yeah.
When he first comes out of the bag, it was a little bit of a jump scare.
Oh, it's not a special edition. This might actually be Ursula, though.
Oh my goodness. I think you're right.
It might be Ursula.
Ursula's an awesome villain.
She is an awesome villain. Let's see. It is Ursula. Check her out.
She's pretty awesome.
Look at her. Yes.
I think that she's the only villain other than Oogie that they've done a lot in the sets.
Yeah.
I know for the
and Lotso.
Dolls. Yeah, and Lotso. For the Doorables dolls that they did Ursula and Lotso, but they haven't really touched on any of the other villains, so I'm excited to see what they'll do for those.
Ooh, I almost lost that one again. Sometimes these are a little difficult to open. Oh, it's either Flotsam or Jetsam. I can't remember which one's which, but it's one of her eels.
I can't remember either, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my goodness! And we got a little baby King Triton.
Aww.
Adorable.
So cute. Okay, and then looks like this one's a sticker. Oh, it's a flit. Oh. It's of the eels. Floppy. Yeah. It's the eels, Flotsam and Jetsam.
And this is either Flotsam or Jetsam. I can't tell the difference either, so if you guys know the difference, please let us know down below.
I think you could tell by the eyes because they have a different, like...
One of them's the fully shaded in, and then one of them's not.
Yeah. So, and then here's another sticker. Oh, sticker. And it's the shell where she has her voice.
Oh, yeah.
So.
And on the bottom of this one, on this purple level, it is translucent with glitter, so you can also see how it operates as well.
Nice.
It's very hard to see, but you can see that. And that kind of shows how it operates. So that's pretty cool.
And then, when you want to put the capsules back away, the top just comes off, and there is a little opening where you can put all these back in. It's a good way to store them because they are so tiny they'll get lost easily.
Yes.
And it just closes right back up, and then I can put her on, and then just clamps on, and it makes a nice row.
Which is pretty awesome. I hope that we can get another translucent one.
Me too. And the stickers. I almost forgot the stickers.
We are always forgetting the stickers.
Yeah, so it's the crown, the scroll where the contract, and the shell. So,
which is really cute.
And then there are stickers that will go on here, and I think right here.
Yes, those are going to be the top two kind of line ones.
Yes.
And if you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, whatever you're on. We'd really appreciate it. If you guys have any suggestions on what you want us to open up next, please let us know down below in the comments as well. And we hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Bye guys.